Good morning vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to see you guys again, hang out. I did some heatless curlers last night and I want to take them off with you and kind of just talk about what we're doing this week. I immediately knew I need a closet refresh. I have so many basics. I realized like the majority of my closet, other than my vintage Victoria's Secret of course, are basics. And I just feel like I'm getting kind of bored of just wearing really simple clothing. I want to have a little bit more on-trend clothing that I feel like will not go out of style years to come, because one thing about me is I shop to keep my pieces. So we're gonna go to the mall today. I also just wanted to update you and give you guys weekly updates. By the way, I hope my curls come out good this time. I slept actually horrible with them on. Jin likes to sleep on my head, and when I have curlers in, I'm just like, there's no space for my head at all. It was Jin and the curlers and then just my head having nowhere to go because the curlers and Jin took up everything. So, okay, it's time. Weekly updates. I am riding horse next week, which is so exciting. I'm going on a ride. It's my first ride in a very, very long time. So I'm very excited for this. Okay, this came out pretty good. A little bit. My curls come out so frizzy sometimes. Maybe I shouldn't have brushed it with my comb. I don't know, maybe I could just fix it up by playing around with it, but let's keep going. And I'm just really excited for horseback riding. Like, you guys don't understand, I really do miss it. I haven't gone in so long, so this is just like a reward to ride in like a new space. Okay, here's the final look. It's so frizzy and big. I don't know why I thought these would come out a little bit nicer. Maybe if I just kind of wear them out, they'll sit better, but this is me with heatless curls. Sometimes they come out really good, sometimes they come out frizzy. They're frizzy today, of course, just my luck. But anyways, let's do some skincare. I actually ran out of skincare, specifically my toner pads. I'm down to my very last one. Like, I use this so much. These are the Needly toner pads. I'm obsessed with them. They're just so nice. They take out every single dirt and oil that's on my skin, which I love, and they're so lightweight. I do have other toner pads, but they're a lot rougher, and I don't know, they just leave this film over my face that I'm not a huge fan of. I feel like I would go to these every single time, even if I'm wearing makeup, like I would still go to these, so I'm gonna reorder these. So I wanted to also tell you guys that Jose and I got invited to eat at a restaurant in Miami, which I love to see that Miami is calling us back over. Like, hello? Of course we're going. And it is next Saturday. It's at a restaurant called Shiso Miami. I'm so excited to be going. It is in Wynwood. One thing about me and Jose, specifically me, is we don't really go to the city. Like Miami, when we lived there, we barely went. When we would go, it was because I had an event to go to, and we would kind of like make just a date out of it. But something about being closer to the water, nature, and just more like rural type of land and areas just makes my heart feel even warmer. I think I'm like 75% rural, coastal girl, and then 25% of me like loves my city. This is gonna be, I believe it's like a Japanese restaurant, which looks so good. Another very big update. I don't know why I didn't start with this. I am leaving to Costa Rica for a whole week. With that being said, I'm vlogging Costa Rica, so you guys are getting a Costa Rica vlog. It should be up in April. I'm not going to obviously post Costa Rica in March because I won't have time to edit at all. But I'm so excited to be going again, and I'm excited to take you guys with me. So those are my updates for you guys. I have a lot, as you can see. Here is the outfit of the day. It's so dang cute. I'm gonna go take pictures in it. I'm gonna take pictures in this outfit and then eat some breakfast slash lunch kind of, because it's 10:30, and then we're gonna head to the mall. I am back from the mall and I went to the market really fast. I wasn't gonna go, I was gonna go later today, but it was along the way. I was like, might as well. I'm gonna do a market haul and I'm also gonna do a haul of all the stuff that I got at the mall. It was very successful. I'm very happy with everything I got. So I got Parmesan cheese. I'm so excited to make pasta with that. Fresh strawberries, Gouda shredded cheese. I'm probably gonna make tacos. I love the buffalo style chicken breast, so I picked up some of those. Swiss cheese, specifically baby Swiss. I picked up some lemons. Absolutely love lemonade, lemon water. I picked up some ground beef and I got 2 of these because they're just so dang good. Let's get into the mall haul. I'm so excited to try everything on. Before we go in, I need to show you guys my new sports bra that my mom found thrifting. If you guys think I'm good at thrifting, you need to meet my mom. She's the queen of thrifting and I'm the princess. I'm so happy it's my size. Like sometimes she finds things and she's like, oh, it's your size, like you can have it. And then vice versa, sometimes I find things that I love and I just give it to her. I love this little method we have going on, but we have an aloe sports bra now and I'm obsessed. So let's start with Tilly's. You guys already know I went to the mall because I want to refresh my closet. I'm just kind of so bored with some of the things I have, so I picked up some essentials. First piece to show you guys is this adorable button down. I'm obsessed with this top. I've been obsessed with button downs lately. They're just so in. This is from the brand RSQ and I love that it cinches on the back. I got it in this white and brown polka dot color, and I also got it in this white color. You guys see it cinches. I have a top similar to that one, but it doesn't cinch. Next, I found these really cute polka dot, I guess polka dot's just like in, these cute halter polka dot tops that I could see myself wearing all the time. I don't see myself throwing these out. I love the color. It's brown and it's got blue polka dots. I love this color combo. And I also got it in this gorgeous yellow and brown color. This one is also from Tilly's and the brand is RSQ. So everything I got is from the brand RSQ. I just thought it's so cute and so good for every day. Moving on to Charlotte Russe, I got a lot of really good things from there. The first thing that I got is this stunning workout set. Are you kidding me? This was only $10, but like look at the fit, you guys. It fits so good. It even has like thumb holes. This is like perfect. You guys already know I just signed up for Reformer Pilates and I'm just so excited to kind of revamp my, look at this, my athletic wear as well. I just feel like I needed this and I just love the price and the material is so good. Like it's buttery soft, you guys. I'm not kidding. And then I also picked up the matching sports bra because I just love that it's like a halter sports bra. This is just so cute. I picked it up in some other colors as well, which I'll show you guys right now. My mom saw me wearing this one and she's like, oh, I want one. So I picked one up for her and she got it in white. I also got it in this baby pink color because I have like a baby pink set, and I also picked up this sports bra. Again, I got these from Charlotte Russe. They were so cheap. And then of course you can't go wrong with black, so I picked it up in black as well because I just feel like I would wear the black one like a lot because it matches with everything. So I'm very happy with those finds. I also went to Old Navy. I have been loving Old Navy, and I know I said I wasn't going to pick up basics, but I just found some really good everyday basics at Old Navy. And again, I'm cleaning out my closet, so again, because I did it before the move, but now that I moved in, I'm like, ooh, we need to fix our wardrobe. I picked up these adorable cream colored flip-flops. They were like $4 or $5. I'm so happy with this because these are just so good for every day. I also got this really cute tank top. A lot of tank tops that I have are cropped, and I'm just getting kind of bored of the cropped feel, so I picked up something that is a little longer. I also got it in a t-shirt. I got this dark brown one, and I got the same color brown in a tank top, and I'm just obsessed with these. I think they look so cute with the denim jeans that I tried on in Tacoma, which are from American Eagle. Let's go show you guys those. These are my American Eagle finds. I literally fell in love with these low-rise shorts. I think those are just like my new jam right now. I love low-rise shorts. I predict that these are gonna come back this spring and summer, and I'm gonna keep these forever. One thing about American Eagle is their denim is so long lasting, so I'm obsessed. And then I also got these with this raw hem, and I'm obsessed with them. I wish they were a little bit of a darker wash, like like a light medium wash, but it's fine. I think it's fun to have like different colors of denim, so I'm happy I got this like light wash. And then last, I passed by Windsor. This was such a random purchase, but I was just like so obsessed with this top. I just think it's so unique and different than anything I already own. So I was really happy with getting it. I love that it's like flowy. This is like really perfect. So I showed you guys everything. I'm really happy with this haul. Now I'm gonna clean out my closet, and we're also going to bake some cookies later. I also picked up something that I really want to show you guys. So let's go downstairs to the kitchen. I'll show you. You guys are gonna freak when I show you this, but I stopped by Aldi because the mall wasn't open just yet. So I was like, let me go to like a supermarket nearby and pick up cookies. So I did pick up some cookie batter. We're gonna be making some cookies, which I'm so excited about this. But I also picked up some active dry yeast, which this is really exciting. I actually want to make some bagels today. The reasons why I picked up these already like active dry yeast, I picked up a few of them because they were like really inexpensive, is because it takes really long to make like sourdough starter yeast. Like it takes, I think, like a few days to do that and grow it. So I did want to already get something that could just be done like really quickly. And I just think that this active dry yeast is just like perfect for something that I want to do quickly. So I picked up a few of these. And I finally picked up flour as well, specifically bread flour, you guys. And I think we're ready. I'm like in a cooking and baking mood and I'm here for it. But I just wanted to show you guys the update and the haul of some kitchen finds because there's a lot of them. I also picked up a measuring cup because I don't even think I had one. And I really hope I don't need anything else to start the bread process. And I think we're ready to get started. So this is the first time I make this chicken recipe, but I'm actually really excited to try it out. One thing about me is I adore trying out new recipes. Even if I don't really know what I'm doing, I love just trying things out. And I'm actually gonna be meal prepping, which is fabulous. I haven't air fried chicken, I don't think ever, but I heard that that is such a good way to make chicken. We're gonna season it right now, which I'm so excited to season this chicken. I'm going to do salt, we'll do some pepper, and then I kind of want to rub some lemon on it. I think that would be really nice if I did that. I have these lemons that I actually already used, but I didn't use them all up, so I can use that to season the rest of my chicken. This one's been used, that one hasn't. So I'm just going to squeeze some lemon on it, and actually like, I'm gonna slice a little bit so I can get some lemon. Sorry guys, I'm doing this very, very awkwardly, but I just want to get some lemon in the fillets. I think that'll be really nice if I did that. This is my first time doing this, but I think it's a good idea. And I hope I like this recipe so I can continue doing it. I just threw on a tube top because I knew that this was going to be a messy-ish dish because it's really not that messy. I should have put my apron on when I started because I dirtied my shirt a little bit, but it's fine. Better late than never. And I love wearing an apron when I cook. It just elevates the meal even more. And now we're going to start the pasta, which is my personal favorite thing to cook. I love making pasta sauce as well. I'm kind of just making this up as I go. I do have kind of like a recipe that I'm like following, but still making it up kind of as I go. One of my favorite things ever, and something I'll always have in my fridge, is heavy whipping cream. Camera just died, but here's the pasta. We have it cooking. Here's how our chicken is looking. It actually looks so good and juicy. I'm just going to go ahead and flip it and let it cook. I might cook it a little longer because the chicken is actually very thick and I should have tenderized it, but it's okay. We're gonna do 10 more minutes. All right, here is the pasta and sauce duo. It smells so good. I'm not even saying that. It smells really good. And the sauce is like perfect. I'm very happy. Next time I will use Parmesan. We're using Gouda this time, but I think that the Gouda will just work perfectly fine. And here is the final view with the chicken. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it. So I just finished cooking. My camera died in the middle of my cooking session, but guys, the pasta came out so good. And I actually really liked it with the Gouda. I think next time I will try it with the Parmesan to change it up, but it was really good. We are now gonna make some cookies. I'm opening up my bakeware right now. I cannot believe I haven't done this yet. I still have it in the box. I have just been opening up so many different boxes. There's so much furniture, so much to do. And now I feel like we've calmed down a little bit. The house is a little more settled in. I still have a lot to build, but look at how gorgeous this bakeware is though. Can you guys see it? Hold up. This kind of shows everything that's in the box. Let's unbox it together. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I need to get into baking because I don't know why I'm so scared of baking in the oven. Look at this. Gorgeous. Let me put my camera back more. This to make flan or cake. Oh my gosh, I can make cake now. That's so exciting. Look at this to make like a casserole. Now I can make baked mac and cheese. If you guys ever want to shop any furniture I have or anything from my kitchen, definitely check it out there. Oh my gosh, to make muffins or cupcakes. This is so cute. You guys need to see this one. Oh my gosh, this is so inspiring. Okay, let's go ahead and get these cleaned and start baking some cookies. Alrighty, it is currently like 10 o'clock. It's pretty late, but I am definitely in the mood to make some cookies. So let's get to it. I also purchased some mason jars. You guys already know what these are for. I'm going to start my sourdough starter most likely this week. I'm very nervous about it. If I have some time after the cookies, I'm gonna make myself the bagels with this active yeast. So let's do this. It's time to bake. I know she's on the box, right? You guys, it's about to be 1 in the morning, but we made bread. I can't believe it. I wouldn't have thought that I would make this. Like, look at this. We're going to add some cream cheese to this, or should I do butter? It doesn't give bagel energy. It kind of gives bread, so I might just do butter, but we're gonna try the bread for the very first time. Okay, moment of truth. I'm not even kidding. This is the best bread I've ever had in my whole life. It's so good. It literally tastes like restaurant bread. You know when you go to a restaurant and they give you that free bread? I can't believe I made this from scratch. Like, right now I'm so shook. I still have so much dough. This is insane, you guys. That was pretty easy, but I'm so happy right now.